Instagram allows you to call your friends and followers in real time. You can do both video and voice chat directly just like you message someone. If the Instagram voice call option not showing or not working, then in this video I will show you how to fix it. So, let us start. If you are using the old version of Instagram, you might face issues using the video calling feature or other features on the platform. So, to fix the Instagram audio call not working, you can update Instagram to the latest version. After updating the app, open the Instagram to see if the call option is showing. If the voice call option still not showing, then try to switch Instagram account type. Here is how to switch back to a personal Instagram account. Open Instagram on your phone. Now go to your profile and tap on menu in the upper right corner. Then tap on settings and then tap on account. Tap on switch to personal account. Finally, tap on switch back to confirm. Now you need to close the Instagram app or restart your phone. Now open your Instagram to see if the problem is fixed. So, this is how to enable Instagram audio call feature and fix Instagram audio call no showing or not working. Thanks for watching this video. And don't forget to hit the like button below the video and share it with your friends. If you want more videos like this, then tap on the subscribe button and join us.